Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful straight pant. So first you need to fold your fabric and then from the top mark 2 inches downward, give a straight line for the belt purpose, and then onto this line mark fourth part of your waist adding 2 inches. I'm taking 11.25 inches here, and from that point mark 11.25 inches, the same measurements, give a straight line and make a corner. Now onto this line mark 2 inches, give a curve for your crotch, and now you need to find the middle point of these. So total 13, half of 13 is 6.5 inches. And now from the belt line you need to measure the total length you want for your pant. I'm taking here 33 inches. Give a straight line, and again from this line mark 2 inches downward and give another parallel line. This is for hemming purpose. I'm extending this length. Now you need to measure the ankle, so mark 6.5 inches the center point from the folded side, and now mark fourth part of your ankle. So total my ankle is 9 inches. I took 3 inches extra for losing and stitching purpose, so total 12. So 3 inches I'm taking on both the sides. And now we need to join these points by using the leg ruler. And onto this straight line, here also you need to join these 2 points. And now extend this line straight, extend this too, and now you need to cut on the markings. So this is our front parts markings are ready. Now cut this out. So here I took 2 meters of fabric. If you are triple XL, you should take 2.25 meters of fabrics. Now let's make the back pattern. So from the top mark 2 inches on the folded fabric, give a line, and onto that line you need to put your front pattern and trace it. The inside leg will be the same, and towards the crotch area you need to extend it till 2 inches more so that it will be comfortable for you, because we are not extending the crotch by adding the extra fabric. So you need to do this step. Now join these points by using the straight ruler in this way, and towards the outside leg part you need to extend it till 2 inches. If you want a straight pant you can extend it till 1 inch, and if you want a pajama kind of pant you can extend it till 1.5 or 2 inches. Later you can modify it also. Now join these points by using a leg ruler. Now extend this line too. The bottom part will be the same, and now you need to give a slanting line to join these 2 points. So here our back parts marking is done too. So now we need to cut on the markings. Separate the pieces. So our front and back parts are ready. Now we need to stitch the crotch area first. So I stitch them. Now open the front part and we need to add the pockets here. So you can see in your screen here from the top I left 2 inches for the belt part, and now from this line extend 3 inches more, and from this point extend 6 inch more. Give a marking inside ½ inch and give a straight line to join these points. So this is the area of our pocket. Now pull the fabric lengthwise, and now here also mark the same measurements, 2 inches from the top and 6 inches inside ½ inch. Join these points. You can measure your pocket by putting your hand also. Now give a curve here, cut this out on both the pockets, and now this is the front part of our main piece and this is the back side of your fabric. Now you can put your hand and see if the area is fine. Now you need to stitch on these lines on both the sides and give a slit here just next to this stitches. Now you need to fold your fabric and give a stitch here to close it. Now after giving a stitch, you need to put this inside. So just turn it to the wrong side. So this is the pocket area. Now turn the fabric towards the right side. So here both the pockets are ready. Now these are the open areas. You can see when we'll add the back part, this will close automatically. If you want, you can give a stitch now also. I'll be giving it later on. Now just pin it properly. So this is how our pockets will look. Now put your back pattern on top of this, and first you need to stitch the inside leg part. So just pin it and give a stitch. Now after giving a stitch, we need to close the outer area of the pant. So just match the sides by putting your fabric in this way and then give a stitch. You can feel your pockets. Do not give stitch on top of the pockets, just give here, leaving around ½ inches. So you can see from the back and from the front, this is how it's looking. You need to set your fabric just the way you are seeing in front of your screen. So first pin it, and towards the bottom part I'm going to leave around 10 inches upward, 2 inches for hemming, 3 inches for the slit, and 5 inches for the lace purpose. Now here you can see towards the pocket side there are 4 layers of fabric. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th part. Now just give a stitch. You can see I'm not giving the stitches on top of the pockets. Now from the bottom mark 2 inches for the hemming purpose, 3 inches for slit, and 5 inches for the lace. This is the lace I'm going to add here. So just put your lace in this way and you need to give a stitch from here till here. If you don't want to add laces or anything, just give a simple stitch. Okay, so after adding the lace, you can see this is how it's looking. adding lace to the other side. Now, for giving the slit, you need to first fold this fabric in this way and give a straight stitch to conceal the raw edges. And then later on we'll hem this pant. First we need to conceal the raw edges of the sides. So hem the sides by giving stitches 2 times. So this is how it will look after giving the hem. And now if you are a beginner, you should first draw the 2 inches line so that you will not mess up with the length of your pant. So fold your fabric 2 times from the bottom, pin it and then sew it. This is the easiest way to give hem. To first draw a straight line and then fold your fabric onto that line. So this is how it will look after giving the hem. Now hemming the other side also of the pant. Now we need to add the elastic. So this depends on the elasticity, how much flexible your elastic is. But if you have a very stiff elastic, then you should take the total length of your waist minus 3 inches. Now first we'll need to fold this in this way so that your pockets will get concealed, the open side. So for doing this, I'm first giving a simple 1/2 inch hem here to conceal the raw edges of the top part. Now I folded it, and towards the back side you will get a little bit loosened fabric, so just give a pleat and pin it. And now you need to give a stitch. Leave the middle part. So this is the pocket, you can see it's concealed. Now leave this middle part and then again give a stitch. Till the back. So this is the pleat, you can see, of the back side. Now put this elastic by using the safety pin. Now you need to join the elastic by giving several stitches, as you can see. I'm giving here. Now after joining, just adjust it by stretching the elastic. This is the open side, you can conceal it later on. So I don't want the pleats in the front part, so I just put all the fabric in the back side And now stretch the elastic and give a straight stitch to keep it on place. So my pant is ready. You can see how comfortable it's looking and how neat and clean the finishings are from the front and from the back as well. You can make it for your night suit, quad set, or wear it with any short kurti, top or t-shirts. You can see how comfortably I can move my legs. It is definitely going to give a smart look to your personality. So do try it once and let me know in the comment section. If you like the tutorial, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.